Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into your Expressvpn account to get configuration files and credentials. This is necessary because the router needs those keys. Once done, connect a PC to the router with an Ethernet cable and open the router admin page at its IP address. Make sure the router supports third-party VPN or Expressvpn firmware. If it does not, you must install the router-specific firmware first. Otherwise, you cannot complete the VPN tunnel on the device. Next, download the OpenVPN configuration file for your chosen server from the Expressvpn dashboard and keep the username and password handy. Then in the router admin, go to the VPN or OpenVPN client section and upload the OpenVPN file. This tells the router how to reach Expressvpn. After uploading, paste the account credentials into the router fields and enable the client. Make sure to select the correct protocol and port. These match the profile and ensure a stable encrypted tunnel. Finally, save the VPN settings and reboot the router to establish the tunnel. This forces all connected devices to route through Expressvpn. Once the router restarts, check the VPN status page to confirm it shows connected and then verify your public IP to confirm the server location. If the connection fails, re-download the OpenVPN file, ensure router time and time zone are correct, and re-enter credentials. Often mismatched time or a typo blocks authentication, so correct those and retry the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.